Hi guys, welcome to the Android tutorial part 4. Here Prabish for taking this tutorial for you. In this fourth part, I am going to explain how to create an Android project using the Eclipse IDE. So creating the first project in Eclipse IDE, just open up the Eclipse IDE. Here my Eclipse IDE is startup. Okay, for starting a new project, so here I am going to demonstrate how to create a new project in Eclipse IDE. So in order to start a new project, you have to go to the file menu of the IDE, and there is a new option is present at the top of that menu. Choose the project. Now again a new window is appear. A new project window is appear. Within that window, you can see an Android project option is present here. Behind that option, there is a lot of other options are present here. An Android application project, creating a project from an existing code, a sample project, Android test project. So here we are going to just creating an Android application project. So choose this option and click next. Now again a new window appear. You can see again a new Android app window is appear here. In this window you have to specify the name of your project, the name of your package, the name of your application name, etc. So here I am going to give a name for my project. Here I am going to give my project name as my application name as first tutorial. Okay, here I am give my project name as first project. Okay, it is also possible to use application name and project name as same. If you want to application name and project name are different, you have to specify a different name for that. Okay, also you keep in mind that the project name must be starting with a capital letter. That is a necessary part of creating a project. The project name is always starting with a capital letter. Here next you have to specify a package name. So it is also an important step. They were recommended that it is recommended that the package name must be the reverse order of your domain name. This is for making your application distinguishable on the Android market. So you have to specify a reverse of your domain here. I am here providing the reverse of my blog address .blogspot.com. This is the reverse domain name of my blog. So here I will give the reverse domain name of my blog. Here is the built-in SDK. This is the minimum SDK and API level supported for this application. I choose an Android version 2.2 with the API level 8. Okay, here a create custom launcher icon. If you want to create a custom launcher icon for your project, you have to tick this option. I am not going to show here. Create a project in the workspace. This is the default location of your project in the workspace. That means the project files are alive. You can see the project files in uses this. The project files are present in this path. Okay, also I am specify to create the custom launcher icon. So click next. Now this window configure the default launcher icon of your project. That means this icon is present at the launcher of your phone. So you have to choose an appropriate icon for your project. uh, Here I am not going to choose any customized icon for my project, so I leave this as default. So click next. Here you have to create an activity for your project. Every project must contain at least one activity. So every Android project contain activities and services. An activity is nothing but visible to the user. The components which are visible to the users are called activities, and the components which are not visible and it is occur in the background is called service. It will discuss detailed in the coming up tutorial. So here I am going to create a blank activity and click next. Okay, again a new window appear. It will in this window you have to specify the name of your activity and the name of your layout, etc. Okay, again go to a closer look of this. Here is the activity name, and the activity is the window. The number of windows present in the project is called activity. So you have to specify name of your activity. Here I am going to give the name of your activity as first activity. Okay, so here is a layout. An activity contain each activity in Android. Each activity contain two files. First one is a Java file, which is actually contain the Java logical codes of that project for that activity. Also there is a layout name. The layout is actually nothing but an XML file associated with each activity. In Android, the layout, that means the visible component GUI components, is represented by means of an layout file called layout file, which is actually an XML file. So here I am going to specify a layout name for my project. For my activity, I give the layout name as first activity. Also keep in mind that the activity name is actually the class name for the activities. So you have to specify activity name in capital letter, starting with capital letter. Also the layout is completely enter in small letters only. Okay, that's enough for this section, and again I'm going to click finish. Now my project is launching here. Wait for a little bit of time. Okay, now my project is open up in the IDE. You can see that my project is present here. This is the project explorer of the IDE. So here the project is completely open up in the IDE now. You can see the entire look of this IDE. Here is the project explorer. Here is the this is the layout of my activity. Okay, again please take a closer look of the project explorer. There are a lot of icons are present here in the project explorer. This is actually my project name. There are a lot of icons and directories are present under that project name. Also here you can see the activity layout. The XML file is present here, and here is a palette is present here, and here is the actual layout of my activity. Okay guys, in this part I am just going to demonstrate how to create a project and how to run a project in the Eclipse IDE using your AVD. So in the next part I will briefly explain each of these components in the next part. So here I am just going to demonstrate how to run your Android project. So here just I am going to change the default message present in this activity, so that I am just enlarge this layout, and here there are two options are present. This is the activity name. Here there are two options. Here is a graphical layout and and XML file is also present here. You have to switch between this graphical layout and the XML file. So now the layout is in graphical layout. Now I am going to switch it is into the XML file. Okay guys, this is the XML file corresponding to my activity. There is a test view present in that activity called that will represent a message, a hello world message in it. So I am going to just change that hello world message. You can see here is a text view is present here. Actually the text view is represent that message present in my activity, so I have to just change this hello world by using my custom message, hello from first project. Okay guys, now I am going to save this project. Also you can just go to a look on the graphical layout. You can see the messages that I am typing, that I am customized here on my layout. So it's okay for this project to run. Now I am going to explain. Now I am going to demonstrate how to run this application on your Android virtual device. So I am going to start the virtual device now. So I am going to the Windows tab and open the AVD manager and choose my first project started, my project tester AVD, and click start. Now the AVD is startup. I just scale this to 6 inches, scale the display size to 6 inches and plus launch. Now here my AVD startup. Okay guys, wait for a little bit time to launch the AVD to full. Here the AVD is going to start up. Okay guys, now you can see the AVD is now fully loaded and it is ready to test the project. So like an Android phone, you can see here is the unlock option is present here. I just swipe the okay, now the screen is now unlocked, the phone is now unlocked, and now I am going to run my project in this AVD. There are two options are present here for running your project. So first option is just right click the project and select run as option is present here, and by using that run as option you have to run the project as an Android application. Also another option is present here. There is an starting button is present here. By clicking this starting button you can also run your project. Okay, here I am going to run my project by right clicking the project name and just using run as Android application. Just wait for little bit time to load the project. I think the project is not initiated yet, so I am just going to run it again. Run as Android application. Okay, I am going to, it is if you are connecting an Android device to your phone, then you have to choose the running Android device from here, or you have to choose the Android AVD from here. Now I am going to choose the AVD from now I am going to running the Android device emulator from here and press OK. Wait a little bit for launching the project. Okay guys, now here my project is startup and you can see the project is open up in my AVD. Here is the message hello from first project. Also you can see if you press the back button, you can see a launcher option is present here. You can see the launcher this is the first activity that I am created here. This is the launcher icon of my activity. By clicking this icon, you can go to that project, go to that activity. Okay guys, that's enough for this section. Sorry for my troubled language. I am not fluent much in English. I am trying to improve my language in the coming up tutorial. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next part.